3 days. One unforgettable celebration. The 13th Baokongri Festival 2026 returns. A vibrant celebration of culture, community, and heritage in the heart of Bodoland. Join us from 12th to 14th April 2026 at Harinaguri, Kokrajhar. Witness traditional Bodo dances, indigenous games, vibrant cultural performance, and the thrilling trek to Baokhumri Hill. Explore local crafts, traditions, and the true spirit of Bodoland. Organized by the Tourism Department in collaboration with Sports and Youth Welfare and Cultural Affairs Department. Celebrate culture. Celebrate community. Celebrate Bodoland.